Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Filmzie application on your Android device. So let's get started without further ado. First of all, to download the Filmzie application on your Android, go ahead and connect your Android device to the internet. Once you are done, open up your Google Play Store. In the search box at the top, search for Filmzie. Soon after the application is displayed on the screen, tap on the install button to begin downloading the app for your Android phone. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to open the app on your Android, and you can now start streaming your favorite movies and TV shows. And that is how you can easily download the Filmzie application for your Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.